What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Drea if you're new here, and if you're not new here, then welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay my edges. A really simple and easy tutorial. And I also have a video coming right after this one on this makeup look that I did. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So if you guys would like to know how I lay my edges, then make sure you keep on watching. Alright you guys, so first I'm going to start by clipping my hair back just so it's not in my way. Alright, and now I'm going to take my Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade, and this is the blueberry scent, and all I'm going to do now is add it to my edges. Alright, first I'm going to take my edge control comb and I'm going to start by smoothing my edges. Smoothing the edge control into my edges first before I start the style. Okay, and next I'm going to start styling. So I'm basically going to be making swoops in my edges. And I use my pointer finger just to chase the comb and to further smooth as I go, as you can see. And I go over it again just to try to get my desired look. And I did add just a little bit more of edge control to that swoop, and I go over my swoops maybe 2 or 3 times just to get like that perfect swoop. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing, just using my comb to swoop my edges in a backwards, using my pointer finger, and I also use my middle finger as well, just to follow behind the comb once I make the swoop. And yeah, that's all I do. And I go through and I add some more edge control as needed if I feel like I need more. And like I said, I just go back over the same swoop maybe 2 or 3 times just to get it as neat as possible to achieve my desired look. So it's really just all about playing with the swoops to get your desired look. And when I'm creating my swoops on my hair, it depends on what hairstyle I'm wearing with the number of swoops that I make. In this particular video, I go through and I do my entire hairline. But if I'm wearing a side part, then I'll just do one side of my hairline with some swoops. I maybe add 3 swoops. But yeah, it just depends on the hairstyle. And at this point, my edges start to dry, the edge control start to dry, so I could get a better mold. I don't have to go through too many more times, because like I said, the edge control is starting to dry, so my edges are starting to mold better. And this is what that first side looks like once I'm done. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and I'm going to let you guys watch. Okay, and once I'm done, I like to always make sure I apply a scarf to my edges for it to set. Now usually when I lay my edges, I like to lay my edges at night so they can set and I won't have to do it in the morning. But for the purpose of this video, I did it in the daytime just to show you guys what I do. And this is, I let the scarf sit on for about 20 minutes, and my edges, they're completely dry now. And if you guys would like to see how I create a twist out, because this is a twist out, if you guys would like to see how I create a twist out, I have it linked in the cards above, and also I have it linked down in the description. And I also have a video on my channel, which is my last video, on how to properly separate a twist out. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure you click the cards above. And now all I'm doing is adding some bobby pins to the front of my hair, and I basically crisscrossed it just to get it to stay. And I think I don't know why I did that, why I added bobby pins. But now I'm gonna add my Jamaican black castor oil and peppermint oil to my edges, because as you guys could see, I had like a little white film from the edge control, so I'm just basically applying that to get rid of that white film and to add a little bit of shine. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, and also leave a comment just letting me know what you guys think. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.